Tonight, when you lie down and close your eyes, you'll think you are switching off. You're not. You are powering up one of the most complex operations in all of biology, and you won't remember a single second of it. You call it sleep. A pause, a blank stretch of nothing. But the real answer is far stranger, because while you lie there perfectly still, your body becomes a construction crew, a cleaning service, and a memory editor, all running at the same time. Nothing about it is restful. So what is your body actually doing while you sleep? Start with your brain. You assume it goes quiet. The opposite is true. During certain stages of the night, your brain burns nearly as much energy asleep as it does awake. It isn't resting. It's working on tasks it cannot do while you're conscious. In 1953, a graduate student named Eugene Asarinsky noticed something odd while watching a sleeping subject. The person's eyes were darting back and forth beneath their closed lids. He had just discovered REM sleep, and it shattered the idea that sleep was one long flat line of nothing. Because sleep has architecture. Every night, your body cycles from light sleep into deep sleep, then up into the electric world of dreams. One loop takes roughly 90 minutes. You repeat it 4 or 5 times before morning. In the deepest stage, something remarkable happens. A neuroscientist named Micah Nedergaard discovered that your brain cells physically shrink by as much as 60%, opening channels between them. Cerebrospinal fluid floods in and flushes out metabolic waste, including beta amyloid, the sticky protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Your brain is being rinsed from the inside while you dream. This barely happens when you're awake. The cleaning crew can't work the floor while the office is full, so your brain holds the door shut all day, lets the garbage pile up, and only when you surrender to deep sleep, throws everything open and power washes itself before dawn. And cleaning is only one job on the night shift. The sleep scientist Matthew Walker describes sleep as the moment your brain transfers memories from short-term storage into long-term storage. During deep sleep, your hippocampus replays the day, firing the same patterns faster, compressed, sending them into your cortex to be stored for good. This is why a night of good sleep makes yesterday's lesson stick, and why pulling an all-nighter before an exam is one of the worst things you can do. Without sleep, your brain never files the information. The knowledge sits on a sticky note, and by morning, half of it has peeled off and blown away. Below the neck, your body is just as busy. Your pituitary gland releases growth hormone. It repairs muscle fibers, mends tissue, tells damaged cells to fix themselves. The workout doesn't make you stronger. The sleep afterward does. Your immune system clocks in too. Your body produces proteins called cytokines that fight infection and inflammation. This is why sleep collapses when you're sick. Your body is pinning you to the bed because it needs you offline to fight. Then comes the strangest stage, REM sleep. Your brain lights up almost as brightly as when you're awake. Your mind spins vivid, impossible worlds, but your body is paralyzed. Your brain switches off your muscles on purpose so you can dream of running without leaping from the bed. So why does all of this feel like nothing? Because the part of you that says, I goes offline. Sleep is the one place your body works hardest, and your sense of self is most absent. And look at how you treat it. You stay up 1 more hour. You scroll under a screen that tells your ancient brain the sun is still up. The circadian neuroscientist Russell Foster has spent decades warning that we are the only species arrogant enough to believe it can override a biological need shaped over billions of years. But your body keeps the ledger. Every hour of deep sleep you skip is an hour the cleaning crew doesn't come. So tonight, when you lie down and close your eyes, remember what you're really doing. You're not switching off. You're handing your body the only shift where it gets to do everything.